Hey guys, Mallard with another stamp video. So we're just going to do a little tutorial on eBay about how to place bids for stamps or really anything on eBay. Because I know some people are nervous about eBay, some people aren't sure if it's reliable or not. I use eBay all the time. So you're going to want to create a profile like I said. It's free, enter in your information. It is safe, I promise. And we're just going to go randomly. Let's see if I can find something. We'll click on this guy right here, Dr. Bob Stamps. So guys, as you can see, he's got stamps. I'm going to go to auction. We're going to scroll down. I'm also going to sort to ending soonest to make it easy. He's got some Scott number ones there. That's pretty cool. And as you can see, there's been some bids for those guys. We're going to scroll down. I don't want to spend this much money. Let's see. We got one stamp right here for $5.50. Let's click on that. And as we go here, I haven't placed a bid yet, right? So we're going to scroll down. And we're actually going to check and see this guy's rep. We want to make sure it's above 95%. And as you can see, it's 100%. Member since 99, all 5 stars. He looks great. Very trustworthy seller for sure. So I feel it's comfortable placing a bid here. So we're going to scroll back up, click place a bid. Let's do $6. Let's just enter $6, see if I can get the top bid here. And as you can see, I've been outbid. Someone has a higher bid than $6. So for the sake of this video, and teaching you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter $7. We'll see if we can win or get the highest bid here. And there you go. Yep, I got the highest bid. And as you can see, the winning bid is $6.50. So when you place a bid and you're, so if I place a bid for $20 and the last person placed a bid for 15, I'm only going to pay $16. I don't have to pay that full 20 that I've basically committed to paying if it gets that high. Now you're going to want to go to that little guy in the top right hand corner, scroll down, click on bids and offers, and you can see my active bids. I have a winning bid right there. This also lists all the bids I have, and as you can see, I'm also bidding on this guy down here, France Early Stamps. So we'll click on that. Just want to show you guys what it looks like when you're not the highest bidder, and it says that you can increase your bid. These are some really nice stamps, guys. As you can see, the super early, they're all mounted or hinged, which is okay, but it's a really nice collection. So we're gonna click on that, and as you can see, I can increase my bid. Now I'm not gonna do that right now just because I don't want to get this bid too high too quick, because if that happens, I'll end up paying way too much. But yeah, guys, hope this was a helpful tutorial placing bids. Anyway. Appreciate you guys watching the video.